Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate your motion controllers on your Nintendo Joy-Con controller for your Switch, and this is easy to do. So the motion controls just aren't working correctly. We want to recalibrate them. So going down to System Settings right here, scroll on down to where it says Controllers and Sensors. Go to the right. Now, if you are getting stick drift, go to where it says Calibrate Control Sticks. If you're having motion control issues, go to Calibrate Motion Controls. There's two things that we want to do. We can calibrate the console, or we can calibrate the controllers. So you have to decide what one you're having an issue with. Is it the console? Well, we could do both of these, just to make sure. So if I go to Calibrate Console right here, we can go ahead and select that. Otherwise, we can go down to Calibrate the controllers and select this. Now you're going to have two options under here. Hold the negative or the plus on the controller. You want to calibrate and detach the Joy-Con controller to calibrate it. So I can hold down the plus icon right here. And then it says remove any straps or accessories and attach to the controller. And then place the controller on a flat surface. And you're going to have to wait. And then a screen popped up here and it says calibration has been completed. Go and press A and go to continue, and you should be good to go now.